How to use apple cider vinegar to clear sore throat. Sore throat, a first sign of upcoming cold, fever, bacterial infection or even strep throat. It usually occurs in winters or transition between seasons. Symptoms of a sore throat: pain, irritation or itchiness in the throat, feeling difficulty or pain while swallowing foods or liquids, dry throat, swollen glands in the neck, white patches on the tonsils, hoarseness while talking. A sore throat can affect people regardless of their age and go away within a week. But it can be a serious threat for children, smokers, and people with allergies or weak immune system. The discomforts caused by sore throat makes us to find the quick relief, which is exactly how apple cider vinegar functions. Why apple cider vinegar works for a sore throat. Apple cider vinegar contains antibacterial properties which fight the infection-causing bacteria. The acidity present in it decreases the pH of the tissue, which prevents the growth of the bacteria. Raw ACV contains prebiotic inulin which increases the white blood cells and T cells count and strengthen your immune system. The natural expectorant nature of it loosens and thins the mucus or phlegm present in the throat. This helps to breathe and swallow easily. How to use apple cider vinegar to treat a sore throat. Listed are tried and tested remedies using apple cider vinegar. Try any method and get relief from the sore throat. 1. Undiluted apple cider vinegar. This process helps to speed up the process of healing and alleviate the sore throat symptoms. It feels 80% better after a single treatment itself. If you are trying it for the first time, then it is advised to be near a sink or trash can. Process 1. Sip a small amount of apple cider vinegar, undiluted. If are able to withstand it, repeat a sip of several times a day. After each dose, drink water. The gaps between each sip should be at least 30 minutes. Process 2. Gargle using few shots of apple cider vinegar. Take a sip of apple cider vinegar. Rinse your mouth with water to remove the acid buildup on the teeth. Repeat daily. Note: don't forget to rinse your mouth after using apple cider vinegar. If left without rinsing, the acid buildup can erode tooth enamel. Don't brush your teeth immediately after gargling or drinking ACV as it can cause physical abrasion which damages the structure of the teeth. It is best to wait at least 30 minutes before brushing. 2. ACV with water gargle. Try this method at the first sight of a sore throat. Process 1. Combine up to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. Gargle using this mixture. Finally, sip a small amount of the mixture. Repeat once or twice an hour. Process 2. To a cup of warm water, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Sip this mixture slowly 1 to 3 times throughout the day. A higher vinegar concentration can treat symptoms more effectively, so try for 2 tablespoons if you can withstand. Note: don't forget to swish and drink water after each gargle. It helps to remove the vinegar from the system and avoid its contact with sensitive areas. 3. Apple cider vinegar and honey. Honey helps to soothe the irritated skin and mucous membranes present in the throat. Process 1. Combine 8 ounces of warm water, 3 tablespoons each of raw honey and apple cider vinegar. Drink the mixture gradually while still warm. Repeat if required. Alternatively, you can also use the mixture to gargle for 4 minutes. It helps to reduce by at least 50%. Process 2. Combine equal amounts of ACV and honey. Gargle the mixture and swallow it. Repeat if required. 4. ACV with salt. In a glass of warm water, dissolve 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon salt. Gargle using this mixture. Repeat several times a day. Note: don't swallow the mixture. And rinse your mouth each time after gargling. 5. ACV, honey and lemon. Process 1. Add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons lemon juice to 16 ounces of water. Drink this mixture slowly. Repeat if required. Process 2. With cinnamon. To a cup of warm water, Add 1 teaspoon each of apple cider vinegar, honey, lemon juice and cinnamon powder. Drink this concoction slowly. Repeat if required. 6. ACV with cayenne pepper. Process 1. Combine a little hot water, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper and honey. Gargle for few minutes using the mixture. And finally, take a sip of the mixture. It reduces almost 50% of the soreness. Repeat as necessary. Process 2. In 4 ounces of water, tea temperature, 3 teaspoons each of apple cider vinegar and honey. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and stir well. Using the mixture, take a sip, gargle and then swallow. Alternatively, you can use 8 ounces of warm cinnamon tea instead of 4 ounces water. 7. ACV with peppermint tea. Take 8 ounces of peppermint tea flavored water. Add 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar to it. Gargle using this mixture for few times. Repeat if required. 8. ACV and ginger garlic paste. Peel few slices of ginger and few cloves of garlic. Blend them to make a fine paste. Consume 1/4 to 1 1/2 teaspoon of the mixture. Combine 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Now drink this mixture. Repeat if required after some time. To counteract the taste, you can add honey to lessen it. Note: if you are not interested in peeling and chopping, you can use store-bought ginger garlic paste. Yet freshly made mixture is more effective than commercial ones, because store-bought ones contain preservatives. 9. ACV and tea. Process 1. Bring 1 cup of water to boil. Add 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper and 1 tablespoon salt to it. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes and remove the flame. Add honey as per your taste and 3 to 5 ginger crystals. Let the mixture cool a little. Gargle with 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture. You can either swallow or spit out after gargling. Repeat if required. Process 2. Take 1 cup of warm water and add 1 tea Earl Grey tea bag. Now add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Drink this mixture slowly. 10. Apple cider vinegar with orange juice. Process 1. Combine apple cider vinegar, honey and orange juice. Sip the mixture gradually for 30 minutes. Repeat if required. Process 2. Squeeze juice of half orange. Combine 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, orange juice, salt, desired amount, and warm water. Use this mixture to gargle. Repeat if required. 11. Apple cider vinegar with ginger. Heat enough water for 1 of 2 drinks. Add 1 dessert spoon of apple cider vinegar and freshly chopped ginger, 1 centimeter. After few minutes, remove from the flame and strain it. Add 1 teaspoon honey and stir well. Drink the mixture slowly while it is warm. 12. ACV concoction. Combine 8 ounces of water, 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, chopped garlic, 2 cloves, several drops of Tabasco, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Drink this concoction slowly. Repeat if required. Tips and precautions for a sore throat. Make sure to rinse your mouth after gargling, sipping or drinking apple cider vinegar. For best results, use only raw, unpasteurized and organic apple cider vinegar which has mother element in it. Whichever method you choose, repeat the process 2 or 3 times a day as per the severity of the symptoms. Drink plenty of fluids, especially lukewarm water. Avoid pollution and junk or spicy foods. Wear a mask in dusty areas to avoid pollution. Use an antiseptic mouthwash. A sore throat can be a frustrating and annoying condition, but with any of the above methods, you can get relief as soon as possible. Try any method and let us know how it worked for you. You can share your experience and suggestions in the comments section below. Frequently asked questions. 1. Is apple cider vinegar good for pregnancy women? Yes, it is completely safe. You can just add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a cup of warm water and gargle with it. It helps to clear the phlegm and kills the bacteria. 2. Can I use apple cider vinegar for tonsil stones? ACV is one of the good choices for tonsil stones. You can gargle using the mixture of 1 tablespoon of water mixed in a cup of warm water. 3. Is apple cider vinegar gargle good for strep throat? Of course, apple cider vinegar can be of a great help. Mix 1 tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar and honey in a glass of warm water. Drink it. Repeat 2 times a day. 4. Can I use apple cider vinegar for throat yeast infection? Yes, you can. Gargle with diluted apple cider vinegar 2 times a day. 5. Can apple cider vinegar reduce sore throat pain? Mix 1/4 cup each of apple cider vinegar and warm water. Gargle using this mixture every hour till the pain reduces. 6. Which one is best, salt water or apple cider vinegar for sore throat? Both are good. You choose one of them based on your taste or comfort. Or else, if you want to both of them, then you try ACV with salt, method mentioned in the article. 7. What if I have both cold and sore throat? Will apple cider vinegar work for both? Yes, apple cider vinegar helps to get rid of both cold and sore throat. It makes our body alkaline and deals with the cold virus. It can also boost our immune system. 8. Can apple cider vinegar cause a sore throat? The acidity of undiluted apple cider vinegar can burn the tissues of the throat if taken in large amounts and regularly. This can lead to a sore throat. So it is good to use diluted one instead of taking apple cider vinegar directly. If you enjoyed this article or learned something new, please don't forget to share it with others so they have a chance to enjoy this free information. This article is open source and free to reblog or use if you give a direct link back to the original article URL. Thanks for taking the time to support an open source initiative. We believe all information should be free and available to everyone. Have a good day and we hope to see you soon.